Hello, I'm Rachel, the Community and Education Manager at SmartBear. SmartBear's Zephyr Enterprise User Guide Basics Level course is designed for those looking to learn how to use Zephyr Enterprise for manual testing. In this complimentary 20-minute course, you will learn how to create and edit test cases, manually execute test cases and update test case versions, review reports and create custom reports, create and manage Zephyr dashboards, and file defects to Jira or file defects stored in Zephyr. For additional Zephyr Enterprise courses and SmartBear's other course offerings, visit the SmartBear Academy at smartbear.com/academy. And check out SmartBear's community at community.smartbear.com to connect with software experts to find answers, talk with peers, learn, and have fun. Enjoy!